Good morning, student. Last period in unit 4 we have already seen what is the evaluation of learner. In that unit we have already seen there are two types of methods, that is quantitative method and qualitative methods of evaluation. In quantitative method, teacher can evaluate the student in number, and second, that is the qualitative method. In this method, teacher give grade to the student for evaluation. Friends, these two methods are very much necessary and useful for evaluation of the student, and so that every teacher has to do evaluation with these two types of methods. There are so many advantages of evaluation. First, to change students' behavior. Teacher can change students' behavior. Second, all-round development of the student. Teacher can do all-round development of the student because of evaluation. Third, to find out the changes. Teacher can find out the changes in students' behavior with the help of evaluation, and so that evaluation is very important. To measure achievement of student in particular subject, teacher can count what type of progress student has done in every subject with the help of evaluation, so that with this teacher can come to know the student's progress because of evaluation. To evaluate the ability of the student, teacher can evaluate the ability of the student because of evaluation. Next, to evaluate the student's progress, how much progress students has done in particular subject, that progress teacher can evaluate with these two methods, and so that these two methods are very important for evaluation. Third, next, to check out the comprehensive ability of the student, teacher can evaluate the ability of the student. Teacher can come to know the comprehension of the student, and so that evaluation is very important for the student. To know the teaching feedback, teacher get feedback because of evaluation. To check out the achievement of the objectives, teacher can achieve the specific objectives with the help of evaluation. To achievement of language skill, teacher also can achieve the language skill, that is LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing, because of evaluation. Teacher can do that skills with the help of evaluation. Friends, so that evaluation is very necessary. Today we are going to see one of the new type for evaluation, and the name is continuous comprehensive evaluation. We can say that is the CCE. Again I will repeat, CCE means continuous comprehensive evaluation. In that there are two types. First is formative evaluation and second is summative evaluation. In formative evaluation, teacher can immediately after teaching, teacher can evaluate the student, so that this type is known as formative evaluation. In summative evaluation, there is a gap for evaluation. Teacher can complete the syllabus, and after that teacher can arrange the semester exam, final exam or annual exam, and then teacher can evaluate the student. So that in this second type there is a long gap for evaluation, and that two types today we are going to study, and the names are continuous comprehensive evaluation. Friends, evaluation help to improve instruction. Effective classroom practice are continued. The objectives are made clear by evaluation. Evaluation promotes better learning because students pay attention to other educational activities and not only examination and memorization of facts. Education influences on learning, teaching, syllabus, textbook and testing procedures. There are two types of evaluation, formative evaluation and summative evaluation. First we are going to study, that is formative evaluation. This evaluation process is to keep continue at the time of teaching. Teacher want to do all-round development of the student, so they did not keep gap between teaching and evaluation. After teaching, teacher immediately do the evaluation, so teacher instant get feedback from the student. They will come to know weaknesses of the student. According to that, teacher can guide the student. Teacher try to solve student's problem. Teacher can do improvement in his teaching. Also, so formative means continuous process of evaluation of the student. This is very essential and important and useful for student and their career. So, expert says that it must be comprehensive. So this evaluation is done at the time of teaching process. Teacher come to know about his teaching. So this process is useful not only for student but also for teacher. This is daily activity in daily teaching. It improves teacher's teaching and learning quality. Friends, see that formative evaluation means teacher teach one of the topic and immediately teacher asks some of the question for evaluation, means there is no gap for evaluation. Immediately after teaching, teacher start evaluation. Immediately teacher get feedback. Teacher come to know student understood or not. So that this is also important for primary section, higher secondary section. Now second type we are going to study, that name is summative evaluation. Here there is a gap in evaluation. This evaluation is started after the teacher's teaching. In this process, assessment is done at the end of teaching learning process. For this final exam, term exam, semester exam are organized. This process is start after long gap after teacher's teaching. The main intention is to know the progress of the student. Student has to study whole year and exam will be arranged at the end of year. This evaluation is based on total syllabus, whole syllabus of the whole year. And so that friends, in summative evaluation, there is a lot of gap for evaluation. Student can study the particular topic, student can do proper preparation, and then he can appear for the exam. And after exam, teacher can evaluate the student, and then only teacher come to know the progress of the student. Friends, these are the two types for evaluation. Today we have studied, that is CC means continuous comprehensive education, and here formative evaluation and summative evaluation. These are the two types. I hope all of you understood these two types. Next period we are going to study new topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.